To introduce the B&B Manufacturing Fastrac Headrail processing system. This one-pass system has two major advantages. First of all being speed of production. Once a headrail is started through and comes out the other end of the system, it's complete and ready for assembly. And the second major advantage is versatility. You can create any combination of tilter or cord lock holes and route holes for tapes or ladders with this particular system. Now let's take a closer look at each individual section of the Fastrac system. This is the cutting portion of the Fastrac system. You have three openings for the bottom rail, the main headrail, and also the tilt rod. We've removed this guard on this side so you can get a closer look at that portion of the Fastrac. These are the two main die sections of the Fastrac system. This is the one we just looked at that does the cutting of the headrail and bottom rail and so forth. This die section has the two dies that one of them does the cord lock or the tilter, and then the second one does the route dies, whether you're doing ladders or tapes. And you have this lever set stop system for controlling the position of the headrail for cord locks and route dies, 4, 5, or 6 inch routes. These push buttons on the top of the dies are the one that activate each one for the cutter die and then one for the route die. Then finally this section is the one that is your set stop section that puts your length and the route hole punches in position according to the chart that is on the guide system. The first part of the guide system is put into position for the overall length of the headrails. The second part of the guide system is then put in place for the individual route holes. The headrail is then fed through the Fastrac system up to the spring-loaded guides, which place the cord lock tilter and the initial route hole. The guide system is progressive, so the headrail is moved through and put on the pin for each new punch. The headrail is then cut to length. The tilt rod is fed through the Fastrac system and also cut to length. The final punches for the route and cord lock tilter are completed, and then this headrail is done. The cord lock and the route dies are easily removable. There's a clamp on the front, and once you remove that, they slide out of position and can be exchanged for different configurations of headrail. The guide system uses these charts that are set up for your specifications. You can have any type of chart system that matches your requirements, and they simply snap onto the guide system and into place. And finally, it has a tank system which provides an air supply and a safety shutoff for the system while you're working with it. Manufacturing Fastrac Headrail processing system is a versatile system that will be an asset to your business. There are many features and advantages that we haven't had an opportunity to discuss on this tape, so please give B&B Manufacturing a call and ask for a sales representative. Thank you.